dear story fans, welcome back to Mango Reader. Today we've got an action-packed adventure with Fly Guy versus the Flyswatter by Tedd Arnold. Fly Guy is in for a big challenge. He's up against a Flyswatter, and you know that's going to get wild. But will he make it out in one piece? Let's find out. Quick question. Have you ever had to face something that seemed scary or tough? How did you deal with it? Think about while we read and see how Fly Guy takes on the Flyswatter. Before we start this action-packed story, make sure to like the video if you're ready for some fun, and don't forget to subscribe to Mango Reader so you can join in on more exciting adventures. Alright, let's dive in and see if Fly Guy can outsmart the Flyswatter. A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy, and Fly Guy could just say the boy's name. Buzz. Chapter 1. One day, Fly Guy was eating breakfast in Buzz's backpack. Yumsy! Buzz grabbed his backpack and went to school. At school, Fly Guy flew out. Surprise! Then the teacher said, "We are going on a field trip to tour a factory." Buzz said, "Fly Guy, you can ride in my pocket." The class rode the bus to the factory. School bus. They arrived at the factory. The fantastic Flyswatter factory. Bad news. Chapter 2. A tour guide led the class inside. Buzz said, "Fly Guy, stay down in my pocket." The tour guide said, "Here's our Flyswatter museum. First Flyswatter, Flyball Flyswatter, Royal Flyswatter, Caveman Flyswatter, Digital Ice Swatter. Here's where we make the Flyswatters," she said. "You may each have one." "Now," said the guide, "here's Fred the Fly to tell you more." Fly Guy peeked out. "Boys and girls," said Fred, "we know flies play in slime." Fly Guy nodded. "Flies eat garbage." Fly Guy smiled. "Flies are nasty." Fly Guy got mad. "That's why, boys and girls," Fred the Fly shouted, "we need the Flyswatters of the future, the Super Swatter 6000. Chapter 3. Now let's see what the Super Swatter can do, said Fred. "Bring out the fly." The tour guide brought out a tiny fly in a jar. "Release the fly," yelled Fred. "Fly alert!" The Super Swatter started swatting. "Wap wap boom boom wap 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 wap." Fly Guy cried, "Bzzz." Fly Guy flew to the little fly. The Super Swatter kept swatting. "Fly alert! Fly alert! Wap 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 wap." Fly Guy took the fly to an open window. The Super Swatter kept swatting. "Wap wap 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 wap." Fly Guy flew past Fred the Fly. "Wap wap 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 boom boom wap 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 wap." The Super Swatter kept swatting. "Wap wap 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 wap." Fly Guy flew past the Flyswatter machines. The Super Swatter kept swatting. "Stop! Stop!" yelled Fred. "Everyone out! No more factory tours! Ever!" Back at school, the class made an art project. Everyone agreed. Best field trip ever! Oh, that was an epic showdown between Fly Guy and the Flyswatter. Fly Guy sure knows how to think on his feet and turn a sticky situation into a win. That was one wild adventure. What do you think? How did Fly Guy outsmart the Flyswatter? Do you have a funny story where you had to face something tough and find a clever way out? Let me know in the comments. I love to hear ideas. And guess what? In our next story, Fly Guy is going to take on another crazy challenge with his friend Fly Girl. Can you guess what happens next? Stay tuned to find out. If you enjoyed this super fun adventure, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you can join us for more awesome stories. Until next time, keep thinking fast, keep reading, and keep having fun. Bye for now.